Welcome back to another walk around and test drive video at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's my father Chad, and today we're going to check out and test drive this 1972 Chevy Nova. This is a beautiful car. We're going to try to beat the rain, so it'll be kind of a quick walk around, but on this one that's okay because there's not much for imperfections to point out. I mean, very nice paint and body. It's got a gorgeous interior. And I love the choice of wheels that you picked on it, Dad. It looks great.
Yeah, I do too. I mean, Cortez silver with the black and chrome rims just looks fantastic. The paint and body on this is gorgeous. Tell us a little bit about the motor. I think you put a lot of information down on the website, but this thing's built.
Yeah, it is. Runs like a rat shot in the ass.
Does it?
Yeah, a lot of power. It's got power steering, power brakes, headers, of course. 4-barrel carburetor, Eldrock intake, and just done nicely under the hood. The paint on the inner fenders is great. Bottom side of the hood's painted great as well. Got the correct inserts there. As you just heard, it starts and runs really smooth.
Yeah, they did a nice job. The bottom, like you said, is all flat black. The inner fenders, the firewall, everything just looks really, really nice.
In this car, we kind of just decided to do this video really quick because my mind's not totally remembering all the details, but I'm pretty sure this was an original, grandma-owned car. It was bought in Michigan.
50-some thousand. Yep.
It was bought from a grandma in Michigan in the early 2000s. It was full rotisserie restored in 2009. On our website, again, there's all kinds of details on the internal specs of the motor and build and everything like that. But
we've had so many people just waiting for the video to buy it. Unfortunately, we had to put some brand new rear springs in it. They were just getting a little weak, so we put brand new shocks, brand new rear springs on it. Just finished it up a couple minutes ago. And I'm excited about getting behind the wheel and driving it.
Really nice gaps. And being a, low mileage original kind of grandma car that when they started the restoration, probably why it's still so solid. Everything lines up great.
Interior's perfect.
Isn't
it near perfect?
It is. Yeah, nothing's perfect, but this is about as nice as they get. The seat's really done well. Headliner's great, dash pad, dash paint. Both sides are like that, rust-free corners of the doors.
All the rubbers are new. Door panels are great. Starting to sprinkle, so I'm going to roll the window up.
It was painted in 2009.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and the paint still looks show quality. But this is the big thing. You look up and down the sides, laser straight. I mean, there's not a ripple on it.
You said the bottom of the doors fit great. No bubbles, blisters, no issues.
Rear quarter's great. I love the Flowmaster dual exhaust. It sounds awesome. Trunk lid lines up awesome. There's a tiny little chip that's been touched up there.
It comes out just like I'd like a Nova too. If they have too much of an angle, all you do is blow, you know what I mean? Yep. You blow dust and stuff, but that is absolutely perfect coming out at the right angle.
Front and rear bumpers are very nice. You can tell they got great chrome on them.
Again, that corner of that door is great. We have just a little bit of tiny surface rust where there's a little chip there. See that?
Yep, tiny chip.
Other than that, lower fender's perfect. Rocker, door, gaps.
Small
tinted glass too.
Small little scratch right there.
See the tinted glass? Nice.
Yeah, I like it.
A door buzzer still works, D.
My lens got wet.
Well, today's going to be a good day to see if the wipers work, huh?
Yeah.
Let's hope they do. Oh boy.
They do, and they work great. Nice
and
blades.
Here's the other thing. We put new blades on them if they're bad. So that's nice too. Dome light works. And check out the headliner. Headliner's absolutely perfect. Just super, super clean.
Back seat's awesome as well.
Sony CD player. Did you ever have the music going this way?
I think I did. They said it came in a little while ago because we're waiting for the rear springs, but...
Original owner's manual in there.
Yeah, just the...
Temperature's running about 165 and we're still at 50 pounds oil pressure. Revs it up, it's over 80. I mean, this motor's got a nice build to it.
Yeah. And the whole car was just built really well. You can tell that just opening the doors, looking at the interior. You just
57,000 original miles, and you can tell by just looking at the cleanliness of that gauge cluster. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Heater works perfect, defrost, all is excellent. This is gonna sell fast, dude.
Yeah, it's a great car.
On the ground out by Packard right now.
Okay.
Just so you know.
We'll be right back.
Coming this way?
Yeah.
No. Is it coming this way?
Said it was heading.
We got a tornado. All right, we're gonna drive this. We'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna get back for the tornado.
Well, at least this is a fast fucking
Hopefully
car.
it's not by the farm.
I know. That's where all my dogs are.
All right, well, let's finish this video up quick. It's weird to have a tornado on the ground
Dude,
right
I'm
now.
like, what the hell are we getting bugged for in the middle of a video? But
Tornado.
It's got me really nervous, actually.
Yeah.
That's where all 30 of our hunting dogs are.
Yeah.
Packard. It's pretty awesome, isn't it?
It is. Just well built.
Speedometer works perfect. Gas gauge works as well. Horn works. Every single thing works, and it works great. All of my mind is on the old tornado.
I know, me too. I didn't know we were going to have severe weather today,
No,
but
I didn't either. Let's go through the gears a little.
good power, nice shift. And it handles so well going down the road.
How about that? 80 mile an hour, we can't outrun a tornado.
We could outrun one.
No, seriously. Look at this thing.
Tornadoes are fast, but not as fast as the old Silver Nova, the Silver Bullet.
Silver Bullet would definitely outrun the tornado.
Yeah, man, it goes down the road great. No wind noise either.
That's the 57,000 mile part.
Yeah, I mean, just nice, tight, great car. Whoever gets this is going to be very happy with everything about it. The body, the interior, the performance.
This is 80 mile an hour. The odometer's not bouncing around. You know, it could be a little off with the big tires, but it freaking handles awesome. As far as our brakes go, disc brakes, and they are power, right? Yeah. Perfect. We stopped great. Let's do one more takeoff here before the old tornado comes.
I know. It's weird that it's coming west, too.
Wow, she might be a little mistaken.
Who knows?
She looked confused at the end.
Sometimes she,
which way it was going.
Watch, there's probably not even a tornado. We'll probably get all worked up for nothing. Nice. Dude, this car is awesome.
What I like is it's a small block. You can get this thing revving out. That's 100.
And it doesn't feel like it either. It just handles so well.
No, I mean it.
And it does have air shocks on the rear also, so if you ever want to
we put
adjust
68 pounds in them right now. You know, obviously they go up to 120, but then it's probably going to ride like a lumber wagon. But you can take it down a little more too. But with those new leaf springs, you really don't even need those air shocks anymore to have that look.
Yeah. Well, we're going to go get all the cars inside and watch out for the nader. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, comment down below. Someone's going to be very happy with this Nova. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. As long as the NATO don't hit us.